I'm going to tell you what are some hot topics of 2019 on which you can start a blog. Let's take a look. Hey there, my name is Mani Karthik. I'm a professional blogger from India. For over a decade, I worked in the US and Middle East helping small and big startups find success with online marketing. But I got bored and I returned back to India. I quit my job and started to follow my passion, which happens to be blogging. In my daily struggle to get better in daily life, I share everything that I've learned on this channel and my blogs. So if you like my video, make sure you subscribe, but don't do it now. Watch the video and decide later. So before jumping into the topic, let me tell you that these are suggestions based on my experience as a blogger. And I believe that anyone who starts a blog should find out what their passion is and use their blog to share their knowledge about it. That's how you build expertise and authority. And that's how you add value to other people's lives. Blogging is all about sharing information and making a positive change in someone else's life. With that in mind, let's jump right into the topics. Okay, so topic suggestion number 1 is personal finance. You know that in India, personal finance is not taught in schools or anywhere else. Most people learn and understand personal finance by making mistakes, which is why we all need someone to tell us what to do and what not to do. Now, even though there are many personal finance coaches, not many are online or willing to share information for free. I think this is a great opportunity for bloggers. Look at the number of personal finance products being offered on affiliate marketing and advertising networks, and you will know how much demand there is. If you're a blogger, personal finance is a good topic you should step into. Think about it. Number 2 is health and fitness. Now, caution. Not everyone can do it and not everyone should do it, because this topic needs some kind of authority and not everyone should be sharing vague information about how to cure cancer or how to treat a headache. However, if you can come up with some kind of strategy for validating the information that you post on your blogs, this could be a great topic. There are many advertisers and affiliates willing to advertise, and there aren't many strong authority blogs in the health niche. Maybe you can partner with a physician or a doctor who can filter the content that you share on your blog, and that way you can make sure that you're not sharing anything wrong. Number 3 is Bollywood and cricket. In India, you know that there are 2 things that everybody is passionate about, and it's movies and cricket. These are 2 amazing topics to start a blog on, as the demand for more content is huge. The only disadvantage here is that everyone knows something about it, and there is already several blogs from this niche, from big companies to small bloggers, but still there is a strong demand for personal brands in this space. You could be the next Rajiv Masand or Tarun Adarsh, and that's what advertisers need. What matters here is your unique style and value. If you can crack those 2 things, there is still room for a new blogger who can go places in the Bollywood and sports niche. Number 4 is beauty and fashion. This topic is probably the most sought after in the ad industry, and there are many companies wanting to reach out to their customers through bloggers. But unfortunately in India, there are only so many beauty and fashion bloggers who do it the right way. Of course, there are many fashion bloggers, but there is a strong demand for personal brand and micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are people or bloggers with their own small but active audience. So it doesn't matter if there is a Malaika Arora or some other celebrity doing fashion blogging, you can still be the best in your city. And that's what advertisers want. Think about it. Number 5 is tech or technology. Tech is my least favorite of the topics on this list, but it'll be unfair if I don't mention it. It's my least favorite because the tech space in India is already crowded. But still, I believe there is a huge demand for technology content in India, especially in regional content. Advertisers spend a lot of money in the tech world, but I think in the future it's going to grow, and bloggers who have strong opinions and personal brands who can tap into regional languages and markets will grow big time in India. Think about it. So in summary, irrespective of what topics you're blogging in, building a strong brand is very important, because that is what today's market needs. We don't need too many blogs talking about random stuff in any topic that there is. We need people who are authorities in those specialized fields who can add value to other people's life. So like I mentioned, if you do it the right way with good quality content, interesting formats, and very transparent approach, India needs more micro-influencers and bloggers. And in the next 5 years, this is going to be huge, and there's going to be more and more demand in the industry. If you still haven't started blogging, start a blog today. The link with the how-to guide is in the description. Check it out. This is Money Karthik signing off.